Who likes a clean knob, eh? Everyone likes a clean knob. Right, good morning people, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited about this video that I'm planning to film today. It might even go across a few videos. I've been purposely getting the car as dirty as I can since picking it up about a week ago, so that I could do my sort of first detailing video on it. Detail the process of me going, all the processes I go through to give it a good clean, safely, clean the interior, do the wheels, protect the exterior, decontaminate the exterior, all that sort of thing. The only thing I won't be covering is machine polishing, because I can't be bothered, to be honest. The paint's got pretty much no swirls on it anyway, so I'd only do that if I really needed to, because it's very time consuming. So I'm really looking forward to this video. I look like shit, to be honest with you, but I have a separate, hopefully like many of you do too, maybe it's not just me, separate set of general clothes that don't matter if they get ruined by car cleaning. So I'm going to get the car out, and the first bit I'm going to start on is the interior. I was meant to have had a GoPro head mount turn up, because I wanted to sort of give some point of view actions as well. Unfortunately it hasn't turned up, so screw it, we'll make do with what we've got. And I'll pull the car out and we'll start on the interior. Essential for being outside cleaning, I'm probably going to be out a few hours, so a good cup of tea, good bit of water, and some form of music. Let's just take stock of what the car looks like right now, inside and out, and how dirty it is right now. So on the interior, things like the steering wheel are a little bit shiny. I've got some product to sort that out. Gear stick I think could do with a clean. All this Alcantara is going to need a good clean. Even things like the dashboard and the dials, they're going to need a good clean. Inside of the windows, look, you've got all of this sort of muck. Of course, carpets as well. What I'll also be doing as we go along is telling you and showing you the products I'm using, and let you know how I'm finding them. Some of them I've used before, some of them I haven't, but I think it's really useful to know what products are being used and have a little bit of a review of them. Nothing scientific, it might just be useful to you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little time lapse there. One thing I like to do is always use the brush attachment and get into all the nooks and crannies of stuff that you can't really see, so things like the vents, door switches, all of that sort of stuff, just to vacuum it all out, to be honest. Okay, for the next bit I'm going to be using Sonak's interior cleaner. I've been using this for a while now, and I find it's just really good at cutting any grease, any shiny horrible chemicals, just getting rid of everything. Put it on the cloth and off you go, really. It's nice and easy. Sonak's do make some really good products. This is one of my favourites from them. They also do a really nice exterior detailer. Okay, this next bit I usually find to be, that's a bit noisy. I usually find to be some of the most rewarding, and it's cleaning the steering wheel and any leather and sort of the gear knob and stuff. As you can see, it's a little bit of a shiny finish at the moment. It's not horrendous, but I don't like it. I like OEM satin finish, almost matte leather, and this product here, Carbon Collective Revive, I've used in the past and I think it's absolutely outstanding. It's the best leather cleaner I've used that gives that finish I'm looking for. So I use it with a detailing brush, a cloth to wipe off the residue, and then a cloth to dry it all off. So I'm going to start on, so what I tend to do is put it in, it's a sort of pump foaming spray look, and I start in small areas of the wheel like this. Smells quite nice as well, actually. Obviously, I don't know who's touched this before. I don't know whether they've had greasy hands. I always clean my hands before I touch the wheel, but I doubt others are as anal as me. And then usually I think the dirt gets trapped in that lather that you've just used. So use that cloth, go round and get all the residue off and dirt. I mean, I can already see that's coming up as a satin finish. And look at all the dirt that's just come off. That's pretty disgusting. So we'll keep going around and doing that. What I can already notice as well is not only is it becoming more satin and matte, is that the stitching, the M tricolour stitching here is becoming a little bit brighter as well. God, this is such a good product. Tell you what I'll do. I will show you. Sorry for the shaky camera work there. So, if you look on the left hand side, this is a little bit satin and shiny. And then this right hand side is, shiny, not satin. Whereas this side's nice and matte now. And just see if you can notice as well, slightly brighter stitching on the right hand side where it's been cleaned up nicely. In case you're wondering where I get my microfibers from, usually eBay or Amazon. You don't need to spend a fortune on bloody cloths, let's be honest. This is a finished product. Look how clean and colourful the stitching is. Look how matte and satin the whole wheel looks now. Bear in mind, this is a 3-year-old car, 16,000 miles on it. You know, it's already had some good use, but that is a brilliant result. Now let's give this one a go. Get the old gear knob clean. Who likes a clean knob, eh? Everyone likes a clean knob. Right. It's remarkable. This product is so good. You saw this when I first started filming, how shiny it was. Look at it now, it's satin. It's like it was brand new. All of the contact points that are leather are now nice and clean. They're all satin and like they were brand new. And I've got a very, very dirty cloth. So it just shows, clean your knobs, people. Now obviously you can't clean your interior and use leather cleaner on everything without doing your leather seats, right? So that's what we're gonna do. Now the nice thing about seats is you can be a bit more liberal with how you apply it and approach it. I'm going to do one section at a time, and just like before, agitate with the brush so you trap all that dirt and grease inside the lather. Give it a wipe. For the windows, I am trying out these new cloths I found in Halfords. Exterior mesh and interior ultra soft cloth. And good old Autoglym. I've always found them to be really good for just general car cleaning stuff. If I just show you how the windows look right now. But first, tea. Damn it, it's cold. Every time. Right, let's give this a shot. That's good stuff. Obviously, the outside will be cleaned after I actually do the outside. Right, I've swapped phones with my missus. I really need to upgrade my phone. It's an iPhone 10. I'm gagging for the new iPhone 12, but priorities. Can't pay for everything. So I've just finished the interior detail and just wanted to take you around the finished product. I thought the wide angle lens would be ideal for that, so let's go. So as you can see, glass is all clean on the inside, obviously not the outside. All of the interior looking lovely. Cleaned all the windows on the inside. Leather looking gorgeous. Steering wheel looking nice and satin and clean. Look at that stitching. All looking real nice. All nice clean dash here. So I hope you enjoyed that first part of the video. That's me going through the interior detail. I'm going to be basically filming as much as I can all day of my whole detail process. Something that I actually really enjoy doing. As soon as I get a car, probably a used car, cleaning it and getting it to my standard is quite enjoyable, but that must be a sign of OCD or something, I swear. So I hope you enjoyed it. The next part will obviously be cleaning the exterior of the car in a safe way, so a safe wash. Cleaning it, then probably moving on to things like decontaminating the paint, to then finally move on to protecting the paint. So keep watching, keep tuned in, and thanks for your time and attention.